Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, not just a phone, but the GODPHONE. Let me show you why this device is a game changer in the smartphone world. Welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the latest flagship phone from Samsung. Get ready to experience cutting-edge features and a hefty price tag. In today's market flooded with options, finding the perfect smartphone that meets all your needs and expectations can be quite the challenge. Let's unbox the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and explore its design, display, camera capabilities, performance, and unique features such as the AI-powered assistant. Here's the moment you've been waiting for: the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that make it a potential god phone. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers revolutionary battery life, lightning-fast processing speed, and unmatched camera quality. However, it's essential to weigh these strengths against any potential drawbacks. Now it's your turn. Do you believe the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra deserves the title of God Phone? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.